Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change order status for specific product category in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and this is our product for mask category, and we are going to assign order status for specific product category using custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to change order status for specific product category. Now you see category slug mask, so you can add your category slug here. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. So we added mask category in custom code. Now go to cart page. Now you see proceed to checkout, so click on it. So we are in checkout page. Scroll down. Now you see your order and then you see product, and we select direct bank transfer. By default order status for direct bank transfer is on hold. Enable this option and then you see place order, so click on it. Now you see order received. Go to dashboard. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see order, so open it. Now we are in order section and scroll down. So this is our recent order. Now you see 15 seconds ago. Order status processing, but we select direct bank transfer in checkout page. By default order status for direct bank transfer is on hold, but by using custom code we change order status for specific product category for processing. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.